Hi, grade 2. Grade 2. Good morning. Okay, it's our last subject, science. Remember last time we learned about the parts of the plant. Okay, we have the flowers, the leaves, the trunk or stem, and then the seed. Okay, now we are going to learn the parts of the leaf. Okay, so we have here the petiole, the margin, blade, veins, and midrib. So let's start with the petiole. What is a petiole? A petiole is a stalk of the leaf attached to the stem. All right? Cleaning. Okay, so the petiole is the stalk of the leaf attached to the stem. So this one, as you can see in the picture. Okay, so this one. This is the petiole. Now let's proceed to the margin. The margin is the side or edge of the leaf. So this one, the side. This one is the margin, a margin. Okay, the side or the edge of the leaf. Next is the blade. What is the blade? The whole surface of leaf. Okay, so it's the whole surface. Next is the veins. It's the network of lines in the blade of the leaf. So these are the veins. So veins, 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 veins. And then what is the midrib? The midrib is the largest vein found in the middle of the leaf. So this one, the one in the middle, it is called the midrib. Okay, and then this is the tip. Okay, again, the petiole, this one. This is the margin, the blade, or this one, or the lamina, the veins, this one, and the midrib, the one in the middle. Okay, so now, so this is the parts of the leaf. Okay, so some leaves differ in sizes and colors and shapes, right? Some leaves are big and wide, while others are small. Some leaves are round, oblong, and heart-shaped. Most plants have green leaves, while few have yellow or red in color. Alright? And also, leaves differ in other factors such as the texture. Okay, how you touch the leaves, the edges, this one. And the smell, of course, okay? The edges of the leaf blade differ among plants. Some may have smooth, others are toothed or zigzag. Some look torn away, and the texture may be fine, rough, velvety, or shiny. Okay, now let's proceed to the parts of the flowers. Okay, so we have here the sepal. This one is the leaf-like structure below petals. Okay, so this is the sepal. Okay, the sepal, or what you call calyx also. Calyx holds and protects the entire flower when it is still a bud. This one, calyx. Okay, and the petal. What about the petal? The petal is the most colorful part of the flower. So this one, the yellow, that's the petal. And then the stamen. The stamen is the male reproductive organ that produces pollen. Okay, so these are the stamen. Okay, and then the pistil. It is the female reproductive organ that produces eggs. Okay, so this is the pistil. And then the flowers are the reproductive parts of plants, and they produce the fruit and seeds that grow into new plants. Okay, again, this is the sepal and the calyx. This is the petal and the stamen, the male reproductive, and this is the pistil the female reproductive. Okay? So it's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So these are the parts of the flowers. So now for our book work, get your science book. Open it on page 157. Get your book and open it on page 157. Okay, you have your book now. So, look at this one. We are going to compare the different leaves shown in the box. So, we have here the anahaw. This is the anahaw leaves. This one is the papaya. This is the guava. And this one is the banana. Alright? So, you are going to check if there is. Okay? Check the column if the part, if the leaf has the part, or cross it out if the leaf does not have it. Okay, so let's start with the leaves. Is the leaf has petiole? Oh, no. Let's start with the anahaw. Is anahaw has a petiole? Remember, the petiole is the last part here, the stalk. What about the anahaw? Is there a petiole? Put a check if yes, and put an X if no. Next, look at the anahaw. Meron bang midrib, yung line sa middle? Is there a midrib? Put a check if yes, and cross it out if not. There's no. Okay, and then the veins. So, remember yung veins ng leaf, yung parang white there? Okay, meron ba? Now, let's proceed to the papaya. Meron bang petiole ang papaya? What about midrib? Okay, and then veins. Alright, done with the papaya. Let's go to guava. Yung guava ba, may petiole siya? Put a check if yes. Kung wala naman, put an X. Alright, and then, meron ba yung midrib? Ang guava, may midrib? Okay, and the last one, veins. Go! Okay, last one. For our last, the banana. Look at the banana. Meron ba siyang petiole? Put and check if there's a petiole and cross it out if there's no petiole. And then midrib. What do you think? Yung middle, there, oh, it's a middle. Okay, what about veins? Okay, that's all. So this one, you are going to check yes or no. Are the leaves of the same size? Yes or no? Okay, next, letter B. Do the leaves have the same shape? Yes or no? Next, do they have the same color? Yes or no? Alright, so yun lang ha, yung may box lang yung sasagutan natin. Now, let's proceed to the flowers. Page 158. So, we are going to compare the flowers. This one is, are the petals of the same color? Remember the petals, this one are the petals. Are they the same? Yes or no? Just put a check or X. I check if yes, then just put a check kung yes or no. Next, are the petals same of the shape? Are they all the same shape, the petals? Yes or no? And the last question, are the petals of the same size? Are they the same size? Yes or no? Okay? So, for your performance task, you are going to take a video of yourself naming the parts of the leaf or the parts of the flower. You can choose one. Okay? Pwedeng yung parts ng leaf or parts ng flower. You can hold your leaf. You can get a leaf there in your backyard or sa front yard, and then take a video. Oh, this one is the petiole, the tip, the midrib, the margin, and the blade, like that, the veins. Or if you want, you can use the flower. Okay, name it, the parts of the flower. This one is the sepal, the calyx, the pistil, the stamen, that like that. Okay, so you can choose a leaf, you can choose the leaf or flower. It's up to you. All right, and then for your assignment, study for our quiz tomorrow and take a picture of pages 157 and 158. Also, you are going to send your performance task in our class dojo. Thank you everyone and see you tomorrow. Bye guys. Happy New Year.